It's actually Facebook that's prompted this little video. Two conversations today where it came up that people are using chemicals in their dishwasher, which is expensive and unsafe. And let me tell you what I do. So I use white vinegar in the rinse dispenser there, and I use a tablespoon or so of bicarb soda in where you normally put your powder or tablet, and then just wash as normal, and you'll find that it all turns out just the same. And if you particularly like the smell that those chemical dishwashing powders give you, then just add a drop, or well, just a drop will do, of essential oil, and you won't poison your family, and it will save you money. Bye.